how to crop an image in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get into it. With your image open in Photoshop, the first thing we need to do is go over to the left panel to the crop icon right here. It looks a little bit like a square. By clicking on this, you will then see the crop marks around the outline of your image and a little box at the bottom here. Don't worry if you don't see this box here, some of the older versions of Photoshop may not have this. So, to crop your image, the first thing that we need to do is decide which part of the image we want to crop. Now in this example, I'm going to get rid of some of this headroom at the top of this puppy here. Now to do this, I can just simply pull down on these crop marks like here, and as we can see, the image is cropping into more of a square. Now if I just hit enter on that is going to crop my image, and then I can go ahead and save that as a JPEG or a PNG for me to use wherever I want to use it. Now let me just undo that to show you the other method of cropping the images. So we're still in the same crop tool over here, but this time what we're going to do is look at the options that this crop tool gives us. So as we can see here, we've got width, height, resolution, original ratio, 1:1 square, 4:5. These are fantastic for if you are trying to crop it to a specific resolution for a specific thing. Let's say for example, if I want it to be 4:5 for an Instagram post. We can just click that and then Photoshop is going to crop it accordingly. Now if it has cropped out part of your image, you can just simply move your image up and down to fit within the crop boundaries that you want right there. And again, like we just did before, you can hit enter on your keyboard or you can click the plus in the top here, and that's going to crop your image as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more creative fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.